Hey YouTube, how's it going? Virrick here. So I've been watching YouTuber Chucky2009 on welding, and got me really interested. And happen to have a welder and whatnot, so I figured I'd give it a go and see what I could do. But so this is going to be my first attempt at a YouTube video, so we'll see how it turns out. But let me show you guys what I have going. Let me talk a little bit about my welding experience. I have never stick welded until about 10 minutes ago. So I have zero experience. Everything that I've learned so far has been off of watching a lot of Chucky2009's videos. What I went to the store. I got a box of 6013s because I heard they're really easy to get an arc started, which so far they are. So I burned through one stick and that's about it. Just screwing around, I'll show you what I did. But let me show you the welder that I am working with. So here we go. We got an old Montgomery Ward arc welder. I have no clue how old this thing is. It's been in the family for quite a long time, so that's what I'm running with. I'm running on about 110 amps. I heard that's good for the 6013s. So I mean, I don't know. It's laying out beads, so I guess it's okay. So that's the welder I am working with, and let me show you my little setup gig I got over here. So here is my welding table. These are the first few welds. That one's my last one that I just did. I don't know if it can focus or not. That's the last one I just did. These ones were the first ones that I did. See this one that's completely diagonal? That's my attempt at a straight line. I wanted to go from like here over to here. Nope. But and then so far, little issues that I've had: the rod getting stuck to the metal when trying to strike the arc. But I did get an arc struck, so I'm pretty excited. This one over here is an old weld. That one going across, I don't know what it's from, but I just welded over the top of it. Again, I attempted to start here and go straight across, but welding straight's friggin' hard. Over here, I attempted to, I don't know what I attempted on this one, but I just started here, but that one actually is not too bad, I think. I don't know, but yeah, this is, it's pretty fun. I mean, I have a bunch of tools that, and I have a welder, and I have a couple other things. Here's another gig that I have going. Here's an old lathe that we have. Have no clue how to use it, but I'm gonna probably do a little bit of research on that too and see what I can figure out. I'm sure I can make some cool stuff. But again, as far as my welding experience, I have none, as I said up until about a half an hour ago. I cleaned the shop pretty good, and I said, what the hell, I'll give it a shot because it could be a handy skill to have. So don't know how many more videos I'll make. As I said, I'm quite new to the whole YouTube gig. But what I'm gonna do is throw in a new stick and do a couple passes and try to record that and see how it turns out. And yeah, let's give that a go. See what I can do. I figured I'd show this too. This is my extremely expensive, really fancy cell phone holder. Yeah, I'm recording on a cell phone. Maybe if I actually do some cool stuff, then I'll get a little better camera. But yeah, I found this. It's just a magnet, clamps down the table, and whatever the heck this thing is used for, do not know. So I just got a zip tie, and I just slip my phone up, whoops, right here, and record down. So yeah, I figured I'd show you guys that, of how fancy I am. I figured I'd go big time production with the top-end equipment. So pretty badass. guys can see this. Fortney? I don't know. E6013, E6013s. I believe these are 1/8 of an inch. So that's the electrodes that I am using. Show you that. So I'm going to start on a new side here, and this time I'm going to attempt to get it straight across. But so far welding hard straight is pretty tough, but hey. What do I have on here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. So I've only delayed 4 beads in my whole life up to now. Let's see what we can do with this one. Oh, by the way, if you're new to welding, don't lay your freaking stinger on the table when it's on, because it sparks and it's not good. Figure that out real quick. Yep. Get this sucker fired up. Alright. Now this time I'm going to attempt I'm going to start on the end. I'm going to try to do one across. I'll try to do like 3, and we'll see. But again, I've had rods get stuck. I go off the table, hit the table. I don't know. But let's give it a try. Attempt number 1. But hey, it's fun to learn anyways. See, that time I didn't even hit it. Just freaking missed the whole damn thing. Well, let's try that again. Hey, that was pretty straight. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I'll do another one and then I'll knock the, whatever that shell is called, fly, I don't know, whatever. Try to do one right beside it. That one's a little thicker. I tried to... On the angle of the stinger, I tried to... I don't know what angle I'm at. I might be too far. I know I don't want to be straight up. I got to be a little bit to the side. Let's knock the slag off. Whatever it's called. Wow. Let me get a little closer and see if I can focus. What do you guys think? I mean, that one's pretty straight. That one, I think that was pretty good. Ooh, it's getting hot through my gloves. I don't know. I don't know what's good and what's bad. I mean, it looks cool to me. I freaking started an arc and welded something, so I'm pretty happy. Yeah. I'm gonna lay down one more. No, two more. And then I'm gonna call it on this video. Well, I'll do like an exit video. Exit. Because you know you have to edit them. I don't know how to freaking edit. I'll figure that out too. I don't know. By the way, try this again. This time, let's see. Check this to come up and then come down a little bit like that. Let's do that. It's so hard to get it positioned, hold it there, and then flip that. Let me try to flip it. Oh, that one was pretty crooked. Ooh, my metal's hot. Then once I learn this stuff, I'm gonna build something. See any wormholes or nothing. Going kind of fast there. Alright, my stick is almost gone. This will be my last one. It's getting late anyways. I gotta call it in a minute. Alright, let's try this again. I don't know. Like, how far are you able to use these things down to? I don't know. I'll try. Look at that, started on the first one. I went really fast on that lag because it started getting down, so drop that sucker out there. I'll tell you what, this is really fun. Okay, I'm gonna drop it in some water real quick. And I'm gonna cool it down and I'll show you what I did. Woo, that sucker was hot. Come over here again. That was hot. All right. Turn the welder off. Alright. So there we go. Let's see if I can get it closer if it'll focus. There, but that's not bad. So there's my welds. That's well, let's see, the first three on the other side. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are, I've laid 7 beads, and these are my last 4. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's really fun. I like it. I would like to do something. Did that focus? It was focusing. Anyways, what do you guys think? Good? Bad? Am I ready for the oil field yet? I don't know. We'll find out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see if I do more. I don't know. You know, last time I was watching that freaking light. So what if I go this way? Yeah. I don't know if that's any better or not. But yeah, I might make some more. Maybe I'm going to burn through that box of 6013s. I'm going to be trying to just do straight, trying to get my weld straight. Maybe find somebody who can actually weld to tell me if they're good or not, because I have no clue. Anyways, guys, again, thanks for watching. I'll try to do another video on my welding adventures. Maybe once I look up that lathe over there, how to freaking work that damn thing, I'll maybe do a video on that too. Alright guys, hope you're having a good day, and see you later.